So hello and welcome everyone to the presentation of MediCare. MediCare is a platform which provides a communication medium between doctors and patients across the world. So here we have a login page and we can log in as a patient or log in as a doctor. If we log in with our personal IDs, we will be redirected to the patient profile. And if I log in with the institution admin email ID, then I will be redirected to the doctor profile. So for now, I log in with a personal ID to see the patient profile. So there we have a patient profile here. We can search for doctors around the world. We can chat with them instantly, and then we can create a medical profile and make edits to it. So first of all, let's search for doctors. So currently we have only one, and we are going to add more to this very soon. So now we can also have a chats option here. Currently it is empty as we haven't communicated with any doctor yet. And here is a medical profile. So for now the medical profile is empty as we haven't created a profile. So first of all we have to create a profile. So there I enter my details here first of all. So there it is, conditions, let's say none, and I have to choose a profile picture. So there I click on this picture and then I press add details button. So there it is, created profile. And here I have my medical profile here. So 16 years, 160 height, weight 59, blood group O positive and all. Let's say I want to make some edits in it. So there I have it. I change the age to 18 and I increase the height, increase the weight, blood group remains same, this remains same, and press edit details. So profile updated, and there I have it. So all the details are here: age 18, height 170, weight 64, blood group O positive, conditions none. So now I add. So now we also have this current medications option also, where we can add a prescription. So I add a prescription. Let's say date July 10th. Medicine, let's say crocin. Duration for 2 days and twice a day amount. Add prescription. So created prescription, and there we have it in a current medication section. Let's say I want to add another one. So let's say date is July 12th, medicine duration for 3 days and amount once a day, add prescription, created. So now we have both of them here. Let's say I want to delete one, so I'm going to press this delete button, and there it is, deleted prescription, and now we have only one. So that was basically a patient profile here. So now we want to see how the doctor side of things works. So basically I open another browser and here is my website. So I log in with doctor, sign in with Google, and then I select the institution email ID. Here we are selecting the pec.edu.id. So currently I do not have a profile, so I need to register first of all. So I register here with my name, age let's say 30, domain surgeon, experience 5, qualification MBBS, Delhi. Choose a profile picture. So I select one from my local device here. Add details. There it is, created profile. And here I have my profile with all the details. So with the profile pic also, let's say I want to make some edits. Let's say I want to increase the experience and age. So there I go. Age I make it to 32. This remains surgeon. Experience now becomes 7. Qualification remains same. Location I keep the same for now. This also same. And submit. So there it is, updated profile, and I have it to 32 and experience 7. So now if I see your patient, so it is currently empty. So now I go back to the patient profile here. Before that we see where is all this data being stored. So here it is our MongoDB database. So I refresh it. So it is currently loading. So there are different collections. So here is a patient collection. Let's say I added this profile for now with the name Akash, age 18, and we can see here in this area and prescription I created 2 and deleted 1. So I have the only one which has not been deleted, this crocin one. And if we see our profile page here we can see name Akash, age 18, male, and here is the crocin prescription, and here is all of those things in the database. And where the profile picture has been stored, it has been stored in Firebase. This is the link, and here we open a Firebase, we refresh it, So there the page got refreshed, and if we see this pic, this was a profile picture which we were using here. So it is directly being loaded from Google Firebase database. Similarly, the doctor profile pic, this one which we were using here in the doctor profile. So that was our patient profile in MongoDB. Similarly, we have our doctors here. So currently here we can see the doctor age 32, surgeon, MBBS, Delhi, and here is the picture path. So now we go back to the patient profile, see home. Now we search for doctors. So see, this doctor which we right now added is from Delhi, is now available in our doctor list. So now we want to contact this doctor. So we press on contact. So there it is, we are redirected to our chats page, and here we have this doctor with us. So now I want to send hi. So as I contacted this doctor, now when this doctor opens his patients, now see, which was earlier empty, now he sees this name and sees the message hi as well. So now I open multiple tabs to show the chat option. We have the patient on the right side, and we have the doctor on the left side. So the doctor sends hello, how are you, and there it is, the patient got this message. So now the patient wants to ask, I want a medical checkup, and sends this to the doctor. And there the doctor receives the message. Then the doctor sends an OK message, and the patient receives it here. So now the patient asks for timings. So now the patient sends the message, and the doctor receives it in real time in timing. So now the doctor sends that Sunday at 9 a.m. So now the patient received this message Sunday at 9 a.m. Okay, fine. Thank you. So now patient sends this message, and the doctor immediately receives this message. Now the doctor sends done, and we can see that all of this chatting is working in real time. So no need to refresh the page. All of this works in real time and in a very fast speed. So that was our chat option here. So now what all features does the doctor have? So this was where he can see his patient. So currently one patient and one chat here. So this was it, and we also saw how the doctor can edit the details. Now but if he wants to see the details of this patient, so he can see profile, and there the doctor can see the details of this patient. So now let's say the doctor wants to add a prescription for this patient, so the doctor can also add, let's say July 14 medicine, let's say paracetamol, 1 day and 3 times in. Then I add prescription here. So there it is, created prescription, and now we can see 2. And let's say the doctor wants to delete his previous prescription, so the doctor can do this also and deleted prescription, and now the patient has only 1 prescription. So now and the doctor can also view all of the details of his patient. So now the doctor can go back to his home page. So that was all the features that we had for the doctor. And now let's say I log in with another patient profile. So I go back, I sign out, I log in as patient, sign in with Google. Let's say I now log in with this ID. So now if I want to search with doctors, so let's say I search here, so I can see 2 doctors. Also I can search by domain here. So let's say we have surgeon, and also our search feature here is not case sensitive. So if I write in capitals like this, then also it is fine. And let's say if I write neurology, something like this, then I also see it is fine, and I can see that all the doctors, and I remove this, I get all of them. So I contact this surgeon from Delhi. So there it is. This way, see, the patient can see all of the doctors that he has contacted. This patient has already contacted this first doctor, this neurologist, so that is also available, and now this doctor also. So hello, I need consultation. So earlier on a doctor profile we had one patient. So now we go back to our doctor profile, and now we see our patients. So now we can see two. So here we have this one also, and similarly we can again have this chat feature also. You see the patient received okay, then he sends done, you got the done. So that is how this chat feature works. So the patient can see all of his doctors on this menu here, and also in this here he can directly go to the chat section. Here we have a search doctors where we can search by domain also. And finally this was a patient profile page here. So that is how all of it works. And also this was a doctor profile. Doctor can go to the patient section here and can see all of the patients that he has contacted with, and also their profiles. Let's say he wants to see this profile. So this patient already had two prescriptions, so they are available there. And let's say the doctor wants to delete those prescriptions. So go to see profile, delete. So deleted prescription, another one, delete, deleted prescription. So now this patient has no prescriptions, and if we see this on this patient profile also, you see they have been deleted. So that was basically all of the features that we had. So now we can sign out from here on the patient profile, and we can sign out here from the doctor profile. So that was it. Thank you.